Yo, what's up, dudes? Today we're gonna have a little tipperino, a little wayland tipperino, okay? Um, so Blank posted this in the Discord. I don't know if he got it someplace else or what, but or if he came up with it himself, but either way, this thing's freaking cool and I want to share it with you guys. So check it out. This is going to be a lock screen for Wayland. It's going to be a cool lock screen from Wayland. In fact, it's going to be uh maybe a new way of doing stuff, right? That is a little simpler, a little easier, and you get a good result. So this is my screen lock currently. As you see, it's all glitched out. And, I type my password in, and, like, let's say we open up a window or something, right? You do it again, it'll just, whoop, nice and glitchy. What this is it's something called, gtklock. We'll look at the page real quick. Gtklock is pretty cool. It's like a lock screen. It allows you to, whatchamacallit, uh, use CSS to theme it. It's simple, not a pain in the butt. We'll look at the script. You're gonna need to write a little script. I'll show you the script. All right, so we'll go right here. Let's see, lock.sh is what I called it, and let's zoom in a little bit. So basically, this is it. It's very simple. What it does is it uses Grim, and Grim takes a screenshot of the entire screen and then makes it a PNG, right, in your temp folder. And then Corruptor. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. You're gonna need Grim, Corruptor, and gtklock. These are the three things you need. Corruptor, glitches the image that's located here and then prints it back to here, right? Overwrites it. And then gtklock uses it as the background. And if you see the style.css, so what is it? Right here, this style.css background image URL links to that lock PNG that's inside the temp folder. And then, so this CSS, you could take this even farther. You know what I mean? I haven't done it yet because honestly, where it is pretty nice. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to figure out a way to remove the, whatchamacallit, the button that says unlock. I don't need it. Maybe take that blue out of there, maybe shrink the box down a little bit, reformat the date and time so it's like just a shorter, thinner box like this. That's probably what I'm gonna work on. But right now, what I got so far actually looks really dope. You know what I mean? Um, but yeah, this script, it's just so simple. And you pointed at the right monitor. Obviously, you gotta know what your monitor are. Or I'm pretty sure you can list multiple monitors here too. Very, 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 very cool. Now, this whole thing with this corruptor, this, you could use like image magic, or you could use other things to mess with this. Like, because I know that there are other like photo filter situations that exist in the world, and yeah, this would be really cool. Yeah. Anyways, so that's basically the script. I mean, if you want something that looks like all glitchy. Oh, and I should also say, with Corruptor, there's a bunch of flags you could use too. I'm just using the default one because it glitches it out. Okay, I don't personally use this on my desktop, but on my laptop, I'm definitely going to use this. And I don't want people seeing, like, what stuff says. You know what I mean? Like, so using it like this, like that's enough of a distortion that you can't really tell what's going on. And but yeah, you could use other flags, you could make it less glitchy, you could do other things. I just happen to like the default one. It looks really good. Yeah. Also, labwc config is up. Um I'm embarrassed to say this, but I'm like still teaching myself Git, so like uh I don't have. Maybe somebody in the comments could help me with this. when I git clone my labwc files, right, it'll go into a folder, right? But it won't let me overwrite .config. Is there a way to run that as a command where it'll just overwrite all the stuff that I downloaded into my config folder? I came across a command that looked like it might work, but I didn't try it, and I'm just not sure of how to do that because I want it to be like essentially on the GitHub page. I have all of the things that you need for the lapwc desktop setup, and then what you call it, I want to have a second command so it's just something easy. So it's like, cd home and then git clone into .config the folder. Even if you have stuff already there, it just overwrites it. I just don't know how. Anyways, I'll figure that out. I just haven't spent time to do it. I've been really busy this week and also playing video games. Anyways, if you liked the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the things. I really appreciate you watching today, and I hope you have a good one. Hey, dude, it's summertime. Let's go. Let's do this. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be sick.